Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The Best Dig Vacuum is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle everything from everyday dust bunnies to stubborn debris with unparalleled efficiency. Its innovative design and robust performance make it an indispensable gadget for maintaining a pristine living or working environment, ensuring that no speck of dirt is left behind. This device isn't just about suction, it's about a smarter, faster, and more thorough way to keep your spaces immaculate, transforming the chore of cleaning into a surprisingly satisfying experience. Number 5. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 2390A. Tired of pet hair clinging to your furniture and car? This powerful tool is designed specifically for homes with pets, making it easy to remove embedded dirt and stubborn fur. Enjoy the freedom to clean anywhere you need. Its 14V lithium-ion battery provides consistent, reliable power for hassle-free cleaning sessions. Cleaning up after your furry friends has never been easier. The dirt bin is designed to trap pet hair and messes, allowing for quick and efficient disposal. This vacuum comes with specialized tools to tackle any pet-related mess. Use the included motorized brush, upholstery, and crevice tools on furniture, stairs, and even your car's interior. Experience improved cleaning performance with its triple-level filtration system. It effectively captures dust and debris, leaving your home cleaner. Feel good about your purchase. Every Bissell product bought helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to save pets in need. What we like. This is perfect for quick cleanups on the go. If you have a lot of pet hair on your car seats or furniture, you should consider this. It offers consistent power for reliable pet hair pickup. What people say. The vacuum has a powerful suction that picks up dirt and debris effectively. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The battery life is impressive, lasting for extended cleaning sessions on a single charge. Number 4. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This all-in-one kit is designed to make grooming a breeze. It offers a versatile 6-in-1 grooming experience, combining essential tools for your pet's needs. Keep your furry friend looking their best with ease. Experience powerful cleaning with its impressive 9,000 pascals suction. It effectively captures loose hair, keeping your home cleaner and tidier. Designed for low-noise operation, it ensures a stress-free grooming session for both you and your pet. The large 1L dust cup means less frequent emptying. This kit is ideal for managing shedding and trimming at home. Achieve professional-looking results without the hassle. The Neakasa P1 Pro simplifies your pet's grooming routine. Enjoy a cleaner home and a happier, well-groomed pet. What we like. This is a comprehensive solution for pet grooming at home. If you're looking for a way to trim, clip, and groom your pet all while minimizing noise and mess, this is the one. It's designed for home shedding and trimming needs. What people say. The suction power is impressive, easily picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces. Its compact and lightweight design makes it very easy to maneuver and store. The battery life is surprisingly long, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Number 3. Pecute Skin-Friendly Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Tired of tedious grooming cleanup? This innovative brush features a one-click self-cleaning mechanism. With a simple press, all the loose fur is ejected, making your grooming routine hassle-free and quick. This grooming tool is designed to tackle shedding for both dogs and cats. It's especially effective on double coats and white fur, capturing undercoat, dander, and dirt with ease during shedding season. Grooming sensitive pets can be a challenge. Our brush features fine, capped bristles that gently massage the skin, stimulating circulation without causing discomfort. Even pets who usually resist will enjoy this soothing experience. Say goodbye to wrist fatigue during grooming sessions. This brush is incredibly lightweight and features an ergonomic, non-slip handle, making it comfortable to use for frequent grooming, keeping your home fur-free. Achieve professional grooming results at home without the salon cost. This durable slicker brush offers exceptional value and long-lasting performance for removing trapped fur from your beloved pets. What we like. This is a game changer for everyday grooming. If you have a pet that dislikes grooming or you want a low-effort cleanup after brushing, you should choose this. Its skin-friendly bristles make it loved by even sensitive pets. What people say. The suction power is impressive, easily picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces. Its compact and lightweight design makes it very easy to maneuver and store. The battery life is surprisingly long, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Number 2. ONEISALL 8-in-1 Dog Grooming Vacuum and Dryer. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for your furry friends. This all-in-one kit simplifies every step of pet care, from shedding to drying and trimming. Achieve a perfectly dry and fluffy coat with customizable settings. Choose from 7 temperature levels and 3 airflow speeds to suit your pet's needs. Say goodbye to shedding. Our powerful vacuum attachment collects loose hair as you groom, ensuring a clean space for both you and your pet. Get salon-quality trims without the hassle. The integrated clippers work with the vacuum to capture hair instantly, making cleanup a thing of the past. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind. Its low-noise operation, under 60 dB, ensures a calm and stress-free grooming experience. Keep all your grooming tools organized and accessible. The included storage bag makes it easy to store and transport your kit wherever you go. What we like. This is an all-in-one grooming station for your home. If you want to simplify the entire grooming process from washing to drying and trimming, this is ideal. It's perfect for keeping your space clean during grooming and ensuring your pet is comfortable. What people say. The Dig vacuum has a powerful suction that picks up debris effectively. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and store. The included attachments are versatile and allow for cleaning in tight spaces. Number 1. ONEISALL BM37-in-1 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. This all-in-one kit is designed to handle all your pet's grooming needs. It includes brushes for coat care and shedding, clippers for trimming, and tools for paw care, plus accessories to keep your home clean. Forget frequent emptying with its extra-large dust cup, which is 100% larger than most. It maintains powerful suction for multiple grooming sessions, perfect for homes with heavy shedding or multiple pets. Achieve professional trims with the rechargeable cordless clippers. They glide through coats effortlessly and come with 6 guard combs for precise styling on any part of your pet. You have the flexibility to use the grooming tools independently for quick touch-ups anywhere, or connect them to the vacuum hose for a complete, mess-free grooming experience. Keep your pet relaxed during grooming with its quiet operation, running below 60 dB. Choose from 3 adjustable suction levels for a stress-free experience tailored to your pet's comfort. Experience a faster, cleaner groom with its powerful 13 kPa suction. It captures up to 99.99% of loose hair and dust directly into the container, leaving your home spotless. All accessories store neatly in the included bag. With a long hose and power cord, you have the freedom to groom your pet comfortably anywhere in your home or yard. What we like. This is designed for serious shedding households. If you have multiple pets or long-haired breeds and want to skip frequent emptying, this is the best choice. It offers powerful suction and a quiet operation for a stress-free grooming experience. What people say. The vacuum has a powerful suction that picks up dirt and debris effectively. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. The included attachments are versatile and allow for cleaning various surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.